That's right, baby. Shape Dog and El Gato are going waterfall hunting Panamanian style. Yeah, boy. Woo! No trail in, no trail out. Here we go. This canyon's insane. Here goes nothing. Woo! Woo! Hell yeah! Incredible spot. Incredible canyon. Look at that. El Gato! So check this out. There's no trail here at all. This is the trail. Yeah, baby. Beautiful canyon. Oh yeah, this rock. You can see, we jumped down that right there, and now we're rolling. There's Senor Beavis. Dude. Every step brings you closer and closer to amazing places most people have never seen, because there's no way in and out of this canyon. We're going to try to climb back out above the waterfall. There he goes. Gotta swim. Cannot stand, but check this out. Whoa. Amazing. Whoa. Absolutely incredible. The only way to keep going is to swim. Woo! Hurry. Look at this spot. Almost magical. Almost magical. And we got more waterfalls this way.
That one is flat.
Oh yeah. The journey continues, and here we are at another waterfall. Incredible. El Gato swimming his way through. Amazing. Hey. There's the canyon we walked through. We're going to continue down into yet another hole. It doesn't matter how many places you've traveled to, this is absolutely incredible. Waterfall hunting in the Panamanian mountains, no trails. So this is where most people see these falls from. The bridge. Seen a lot of cool stuff down here, but check out this rock. You got water just spitting right out the rock. Here we go. Let's go jump off the falls. Woo. Wait till you see how clear this pool is. This pool is clearer than the Caribbean.